Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best video converter with no compromise on quality for Windows and Mac computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer. So if you're using a Macintosh computer, still the tutorial will remain the same. So don't worry. So firstly, what you need to do, just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search this application name as Wondershare Unique Converter. So search this application, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. So here you can see two options, right? Try it for free and see pricing. So firstly you can try the free version, and later if you like it you can go for the paid version. So just click on this try it for free to download this application. Wait for a few seconds. So just start downloading. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close the web browser. Now you can see installer file. Just double click it to run the installer. Since it's a web-based installer, so you need an internet connection to install it completely. So just click on install. Wait for some minutes until the complete installation gets complete. So our application has been installed. So finally you can see here start now. Just click on start now. So wait for a few seconds until the application gets loaded. So finally you can see this user interface. So you will be seeing this kind of user interface. So I'll not discuss much about what functions or options it offers. I will directly jump to the topic, that is why I mentioned it to be the best video converter with no compromise on quality. So let me drag one video file and let's try out to convert it to any format depending upon what format we want to convert, and we'll check out whether there is any compromise in quality after converting or not. So let me go to the folder where I have saved the video. So here I have one video file, so just let me show it to you. So you can see the video quality, how it looks. So after conversion we'll check out whether it looks exactly the same or not. So I will show its properties also. So you can see here the frame width and the frame height. You can see. So this is a MP4 format, as you can see here. So you can see the resolutions that is given here, the frame size. So let's try to convert it. Just you can drag and drop also if you wish, or if it does not accept by dragging and dropping, then you can see your add file, right? Just click on it and just locate to the folder and select your video file and click on open. Now the video has been added. Now you can see your options to convert, right? So before that you can see below output format. So you can select a format size here. So right now I'm having a format size of 3840 into 2160 format, right? So let us try to convert it to the full HD format. So in the MP4 we'll just find out. So you can see this one HD, this is the full HD 1920 into 1080. So this is the full HD format. So I'll be selecting this. So I have selected the options, as you can see here, the output format. And you can see below where the output format will get saved. So you can see the location. You can change this output locations depending upon your needs also. And you can see one more option, merge all files. You can just merge all the files if you have multiple video files. So I'm not going to talk about this merge all files. I'm just gonna discuss here about is there any compromise on converted videos. So once you are done, you can click on start all also, or you can click on convert also. So I'll just click on start all. So it will start converting. So wait for some minutes until the complete conversion gets complete. So the file has been converted. So as we are using a trial version, so you can see here you can only convert 1/3 length of the original video. So if you want to convert the entire video part, so you need to purchase the paid version. So just for the tutorial purpose, I'm saying why this is the best video converter with no compromise on quality. So let's jump now to see the video, that is the converted video. So let me go to the folder. So you can see here this is the converted video, right? Let's try to play it and check out. So you can see the video output is exactly the same like the original video. So let us try to play the original video also. So let me go to the folder where I have saved the original video. So here is the original video. So let me show its properties before opening it. So you can see here the frame rate size is 3840x2160, right? So let me play this original video. So you can see the picture quality, as you can see, and let me play the converted video file. So you can see there is not much difference. Almost it looks exactly the same as like the original video. So let me show its properties also, that is the converted videos properties. So you can see this is the full HD converted video. So this really provides you the best quality video output when you gonna convert any video to any video formats depending upon your needs. So in my opinion, I think it's a odd spending if you want to purchase this video converter so that you can convert the entire video part for your respective video. So definitely a cool applications to try it out, and the good thing is that this video converter does not compromise on quality even after conversions. So definitely try it out. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.